I was recently sitting at a cafe with a cup of coffee and I spooked a lot of people out. At first, I didn't realize anything was amiss, but I gradually realized people are giving me odd looks. And when I really thought about it, people who were there with company were talking to each other, and people who were there alone, like me, were scrolling on their phones. And I was just sitting there looking at everybody with no phone in sight. I'm not telling you the story because I want to talk about digital responsibility or the fact that you should take time out as an entrepreneur. I am telling you the story to get your attention and get you to listen to me, to illustrate the point that when you tell a story, you will get people's attention and they will get your point. So the next time you plan a presentation, why not start with a story? Why not talk about what happened, an anecdote that you remember, and make that relevant to the presentation? Try this and let me know how it went.